In this video, I will show you how to fix God of War Ragnarok stuck on black screen. A simple reboot can fix minor glitches. Just restart your console or PC. Just check for update. Make sure both your game and system firmware are up to date. Try to clear the cache. Unplug your console or PC for a few minutes, then restart. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the game. If none of this work, reaching out to PlayStation or Steam support may be necessary. If the basic step didn't work, try this more in-depth fixes. If you are playing on Steam or Epic Games, verify the game's integrity. In Steam, go to Library. Right-click on the God of War Ragnarok. Here I am showing GTA 5 as an example. Click Properties. Go to Installed Files or Local Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. In Epic Games, click on the three dots next to the game title. Here I am showing Among Us as an example. Select Verify and let the process complete. Now right click on the game's executable file. Here I am using Among Us as an example. Select Run as an administrator. This can help resolve permission issues. Now go to the game's installation folder. Right-click on the game executable file again and select Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. The next step is lowering the graphics settings. Lower graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Set the game to windowed mode instead of full screen. That's it. This step should help you fix the black screen issue in God of War Ragnarok. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.